Hi everyone. Welcome to AMJ World. In this video I would like to show how to make your PC boot fast. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on Startup. Make sure all the status is disabled. Right-click on where is enabled and click on Disabled. Repeat till all is disabled. When you are done, click on Start. Type Run and open. Type in msconfig and hit Enter key on your keyboard. Click on Boot. Click on Advanced Options. Tick the number of processors and select the last number. Tick the maximum memory, and it will default select the value. Click OK and click on Apply. Click on Restart. Your PC will boot fast after the restart. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop another video. Thank you.